Good morning, children. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anmol, Kanish. Pranay. Mahin. Kavneet. Priyanshi Khandelwal. Ishit. Raghav. Tanishq. Divyansh. Kunal Kumar. Hurry up, children. Only 10 children have joined yet. How come you are late?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Hurry up, hurry up. 6 minutes have already passed. How will I start the class this way? Your class goes the worst as compared to the other classes. You join late and you people run away without teacher's permission. Hurry up. I can see only 14 participants. $18 now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sarthak. Good morning, beta. Sarthak.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Hurry up. Will join so late. How will we resume the class? So difficult. We hardly get any time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I hope I am audible to all. I hope I am audible to
Yes,
all.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Put your audios off. It's a basic
Yes,
rule when
ma'am.
you join the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Kunal. You have not joined through audio. Connect through audio. Connect through audio, please. Arnav, connect through audio. I can see only 21 children. I am starting the class. We can't wait so long. Put your audios off. Why is it to be told every time? The class cannot continue otherwise. Ravish is admitting, coming now. Children, we were doing 2.4. How is Anshul? Anybody has any clue? Is anybody in touch with him? How is Anshul?
Ma'am, he has fever.
That I know. That's what I am. That's why I
Ma'am,
am
he has
asking.
fever.
I know.
Ma'am,
That's
he
why.
is unwell.
I know. That's why I am asking. Is there anybody who's in touch with him? How is
He
he
has
now?
fever.
Okay. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can we start the class? Can we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So children,
Yes, ma'am.
today we'll continue with 2.4. Last 3 questions, if possible, we'll finish off and then we'll start with 2.6 in case we are left with time. Just till then, we should start with 2.4. You all can see, can you all see a screen
And the
on?
screen is loading.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How come it happens in only in your class? In every class, the class is going smooth. I think I have to control you people. You have to put your audios off. Otherwise, class cannot continue. Now, just check it out now.
Now it is coming.
All of you put your audios off until unless I ask you to put them on. Hiten has raised his hand. Hiten, ek to ye piche the screen hatao. It is so irritating. Why have you changed the background? So irritating. Bolo Hiten. Hiten.
Ma'am, I am not able to view the screen.
पहले अपना screen हटाओ.
Ma'am, I am not able to view.
Maybe because of this, your screen it is disturbing the whole class. There may be some network issue at your place. Otherwise, I have taken in every class, I take the same time. That there is not at all any kind of issue. Apurva, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am. It is now clear.
I have chosen a big font even. It's font 20.
Yes, ma'am. It is now clear.
I myself is very strange. It is really strange to know. Only in your class, this is the best way of teaching. Whenever we are writing the question on the board, here you can see the question also side by side. You can see the question also side by side. Shreyash, are you able to see? I'll try to make it smaller. Maybe when it is smaller,
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it? Are you able to see better?
Ma'am,
Yes,
पढ़ा
ma'am,
जा
I am
रहा था
able
जैसे
to
अच्छे
see.
से। कल पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा था। मैम पढ़ा जा रहा है, कल पढ़ नहीं पा रहे थे एकदम। आज पढ़ा जा रहा है।
Put your audios off. Anji, let me start. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. One more thing. Wait. Yes. Find the number of deer in the herd. See, I have used a special type of model this way. It will become very easy that way. Hiten, put your hand down. Lower your hand. Hiten.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose these are total number of Kavneet. Where is Kavneet? हाँ जी Kavneet बोलो.
मैम ग्रुप पे प्रणय का मैसेज आ रहा है कि उसको कोई नेटवर्क इशू है तो उसको वेन ले लो.
Right now, how come you are looking at the group also? It means you're not focusing in the class. I am not getting any
मैम
message.
ऊपर से मैसेज बजा.
बजाया तभी ना क्योंकि आपने बजाया. मेरे फोन में कुछ नहीं बजता जब क्लास चलती है. हाँ जी. I did not disallow anybody. I cannot see him entering na. If I would have seen him entering, I would have allowed him. It never happens if child is asking for entry and I don't allow. It never happens. It is the meeting is not unlocked. It is open. He is not entering. If you would have asked me for the entry, I would have allowed him. Okay? Just focus on the class. Suppose total number of deer are these big box. These are total. Suppose these are X. I'm supposing the herd of, find the total number of deer in the herd. Suppose I take X as total number of deer, and they are saying half of them are grazing in the field. So I have divided this whole thing into two parts. X upon 2 are grazing in the field, and Apurva, please look better. X upon 2 are not grazing. X upon 2 are not grazing. Please draw it like this only, it will help you to understand better. X upon 2 are grazing in the field, and X upon 2 are not grazing in the field. X upon 2 are grazing, and X upon 2 are not grazing. Half of them are grazing, and half of them are not grazing. Now, out of those half, जो graze नहीं कर रहे थे, 3/4 of the remaining means जो ये वाले जो पीच वाला कलर किया मैंने, ये कलर किया, ये तो ग्रेज कर रहे हैं, इनको तो हटा दो. और जो ग्रेज नहीं कर रहे थे, उनमें से जो 3/4 थे, दे आर प्लेइंग. लुक हियर, ये वाले जो डियर थे, उनमें से 3/4 दे आर प्लेइंग. 3/4 of X upon 2 are playing. How many are then left with drinking? 1/4 of X upon 2. इसको हमने 4 parts में अगर डिवाइड किया. हाँ जी अपूर्वा बोलो.
Ma'am, I want to say the answer of 3 upon 4. Ma'am, when we...
Wait. Let me explain how we got this. You'll get the answer. Have you drawn this figure? Have you drawn?
Ma'am, yes, I've drawn.
Very good. Now, how come we got 1 upon 4? Because I divided this part, which is not grazing, into 4 equal parts. 3 parts are playing in the garden, they're playing in the playing, and 9 are drinking water. और आपको कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ, सिर्फ ये दिया हुआ है, remaining जो drinking कर रहे हैं, तो वो those who are drinking are 9. This will help you to understand better. Let's write also. Let's write whatever we have drawn. Let's write the same thing. Let the total number of deer in the field. Field है? Is it field? No.
Yes,
Total
ma'am.
number of deer. Total number of deer लेते simple. Let the total number of deer be X. Number of deer grazing. X upon 2. Then these were
Yes,
the
ma'am.
peak
And the
ones.
playing
Number of
are...
deer not grazing. Okay? Not grazing. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me
X
explain,
upon
then I'll solve your query. Don't raise your hand in between. Let me clear. X upon 2. Now, इस X upon 2 का जो ये वाला पार्ट है नॉट ग्रेजिंग वाला, तो ये नॉट ग्रेजिंग वाला पार्ट है, जो नॉट ग्रेजिंग वाला पार्ट है, इसका 3/4 प्ले कर रहा है, और जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है वो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, दे आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. सो वी कैन राइट number of deer drinking or playing is not required as such, but we are writing to just make it clear. 3/4 of X upon 2. Now number of deer drinking water. Number of deer drinking
9.
water is equal to, no, write in term of first, in terms of fraction, half 1/4 of X upon 2. Number of deer drinking water X upon 2, 1/4 of X upon 2, and this is given to us. ये हमको given है. This is given to us. So we can equate directly according to the question. 1/4 of x upon 2 is equal to 9. This was the main equation which was to be formed. 1/4 of x upon 2 is equal to 9. कवनीत क्या आएगा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे तो टेल व्हाट विल हैपन.
Ma'am, 1 minute I am solving.
1/4 of x upon 2. Can I write x upon 8? Can I write x upon 8?
Yes,
Tanish?
ma'am.
Tanish,
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Have you understood how we got
Yes,
x
ma'am.
upon 8? Shreyash?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Tanzil?
Yes, ma'am.
Krish?
Yes, ma'am.
X upon 8 is equal to 9. So can we say x is equal to 72? 9, 8 9s are. Can I say x is
Ma'am,
equal to
yes.
72?
Ma'am,
Very
yes.
good. Very good.
72.
Yes.
Therefore,
Answer is 72.
Yes, ma'am.
therefore, total
सही है.
the number of deer, whatever is asked. Let's see the question. Number of deer in the herd. Therefore, total number of deer in the herd is 72. Let me just recapitulate what I have done till now. Let me just recapitulate. See, this figure helps you a lot. These are the total number of deer. Half of them are grazing in the field, half of them are not grazing. जो graze नहीं कर रहे हैं, out of them 3/4 are playing and 1/4 are drinking water. And we know the number of deer drinking water. So we frame the equation as 1/4 of x upon 2 is equal to 9. And accordingly, we got x as 72. Is there anybody who has any
Ma'am,
query
easy
in this
था.
question? Who he or she can now raise the hand. He or she can now raise the hand. This was an easy question, but I made it a little more easier. I made it easier by using this. This is called model method. This is called model method. Kunal, connect yourself. How are we connected? Kunal. प्रणय, हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम मुझे आंसर देना था एक का
आंसर तो सब हमें मालूम ही है. The problem is you need to understand the questions. Next week I'll take a test for you people. Test will be of MCQ type, but questions will you have to solve. Did you all check the question, extra questions I send you? Did you all check the extra questions I send
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
I send you a lot of extra questions solving lot of word problems. Lot of word problems. Tanzil is raising his hand. Let me see what's the problem. Tanzil. बोलो बेटा. हाँ जी. तांजिल. हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. तांजिल, any query? Tanzil, any query?
No, ma'am.
But you raise the hand. Priyanshi also raise the hand. Raise Priyanshi. हाँ जी प्रियांशी बोलो.
Ma'am, it is by mistake.
Okay. Now can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next
Yes,
question
ma'am.
says, our grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Somebody will first tell me whose age is dependent on whom. Aman Sani. Aman Sani, whose age
Yes,
is
ma'am.
dependent on whom age? Whose age?
Mom, mom,
शिवांश बोलो.
granddaughter is
मैम
10.
मैम मुझे आता है.
Ma'am,
मैम let the
grandfather's
granddaughter age is equal to
father
x.
age भी
So
x
grandfather age
10.
is equal
No,
to
you're telling other way round.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
Shivansh
can
is
I
telling right. Shivansh is
Ma'am.
telling right. Aman is telling wrong. Questions? Hamza bolo. Hamza bolo.
Ma'am, the screen is coming blur.
There is some network issue at your place.
grandfather age भी 10 है.
Yes, granddaughter age is X, suppose. Then grandfather's age is
And
10X.
grandfather is 10x.
Okay?
10 है.
This is very simple question. Grandfather's age is a question I asked was whose age is depending on whose age. The answer was grandfather's age was dependent on granddaughter's age. Grandfather's age was dependent on granddaughter's age. So you can say he is also 4 years older than her. मतलब grandfather इससे 54 years older भी हैं. What do you mean by this? This 10x is.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, can I
बोलो.
tell?
बोलो.
मैम जो मतलब ग्रैंडफादर और उसकी ग्रैंडडॉटर की एज के बिटवीन 54 इयर्स का गैप है उन दोनों
Very
की एज
good.
के बिटवीन.
तो इसका मतलब जो ग्रैंडफादर की एज अगर 10x है तो इसका मतलब वो x plus 54 भी है.
यस मैम.
This is what the equation will form. Very easy. Not at all difficult. Not at all difficult. Can we all solve now? You all can solve easily. All
Ma'am?
can solve easily.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेरी.
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम मैंने इक्वेशन बनाई है 10x minus x is equal to 54. हम सही है?
One the same thing. Same thing. एक ही बात है बेटा. One the same thing. It's same thing. So 9x is equal to 54 and x is equal to
6.
9s are 54. So granddaughter is 6 years old. Therefore, granddaughter जो पूछते हैं वही आंसर देना होता है. ग्रैंड प्रेजेंट एज पूछा यही ना. प्रेजेंट एजेस बताओ. ग्रैंड प्रेजेंट एज इज 6 years. ऐसे ही ग्रैंड फादर्स
60 years.
60 years. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम इजी था ये.
इजी था ये. Let's see. I can see only 21 children in your class who are attending the class. Only 21. We don't have Anshul. He's unwell. Hariyar, Harshita is not here. Naman Gulati is not here. Pihu never attends. Shrishti is not here. Sia is not here. Yashika, Yuvraj, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we subtract.
मैम युवराज ज्यादातर कोई क्लास अटेंड नहीं करता.
हाँ जी. प्रणय बोलो.
युवराज ने लास्ट क्लास भी अटेंड नहीं करी थी.
युवराज ने.
मैम यस मैम एक भी क्लास अटेंड नहीं करी.
Yes.
हाँ युवराज ने कोई भी क्लास अटेंड नहीं करी. I'll speak to him. Yes, children. Can I move to the next question? Very good.
यस मैम.
Very good. Next question is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Now let's see. Now here Aman's age is dependent on his son's age. So son's age will suppose at X years. This is very
X
important to
years.
understand whose age is depending on whose age. Wait, beta. Who's raising his hand? Let me just see. Wait. अमन बोलो,
Ma'am, I have to give answer.
बोलो आंसर पहले दे देंगे,
Ma'am, Aman.
स्टेप्स नहीं बताएंगे। अब बताओ मुझे, अमन एज 10 years ago बताओ।
Ma'am, 10 years ago, 5x.
They are saying 10 years ago means here we have to subtract 10 from here. I have to subtract 10 from both. अभी मैंने आपसे इक्वेशन तो पूछी ही नहीं, you have started telling equation. If you don't do step wise, you'll get 0. I don't know why are you people in a hurry to answer only, not bothered how we are getting the answer. Every step is important here. Anji. Now, who will tell me the equation? Somebody will tell me the equation. Yes,
Ma'am,
10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. What is the given to us? First tell me, somebody will tell me what is given to us. आकृति क्या दिया हुआ है हमको इस स्टेटमेंट में? इस स्टेटमेंट में क्या बोला हुआ है? जो मैंने हाईलाइट किया स्टेटमेंट, इसमें क्या बोला है? आकृति, आकृति, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें क्या बोला है? 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. It means you people are not focusing. इशित, क्या बोला है इसमें इक्वेशन में? क्रिश बोलो।
मैम, इस इक्वेशन में ये बोला है कि 10 साल
Ma'am,
पहले
it means that he would 10 years back.
कौन है ये?
क्रिश बोलो।
मैम बोल रहा हूँ मैम, यही कि मैम 10 इयर्स पहले वो अपने बेटे से 5 साल बड़ा था।
तो हमें इक्वेशन कैसे बनाएं? Can I say that 3x, this number 3x minus 10 is 5 times this? Can I say this? Can I say 3x minus 10 is 5 times x minus 10? Sarthak, am I right, saying right? Sarthak?
Ma'am, I am not able to understand.
Very strange. So easy. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Son की एज हमने x लिया, son की एज x ली और अमन की एज हो गई 3x. 10 years पहले अमन की एज थी 3x minus 10 और सन की एज थी x minus 10. सन की एज थी x minus 10. 10 years पहले अमन was 5 times his son's age. ये जो नंबर है 3x minus 10, ये 5 times था x minus 10 के. ये बोला है इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में. According to the question, 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 times the age of his son 10 years back. Now raise your hand if anybody has query. Only in case of query, not to answer. शिवांश, अगर query है तो hand raise करेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं. अभी हम query solve करेंगे पहले. हाँ जी अपूर्वा, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
You have raised the hand. Is there anybody who has not understood the equation? Now solve. अब solve करके बताओ मुझे. Solve. Everybody should solve. Everybody should solve. See, in the other class, they asked me queries from open door papers, and they asked me queries from extra questions. I don't get any work in Google Classroom from this class. कोई काम नहीं है Google Classroom में. I'll put 0 for you all. So it means you have not practiced. If the other class children are asking me questions from open door papers, questions from extra questions, they have some queries. It means they have tried. हमारी क्लास ने ट्राई नहीं किया इसलिए कोई क्वेरी नहीं है. हमारी क्लास ने किसी ने ट्राई नहीं किया इसलिए कोई क्वेरी नहीं थी. क्रिश बोलो.
Ma'am, I have solved the answer.
What is the value of x?
Ma'am, x is equal to 20.
X equal to 20. Let me see.
Ma'am, 20.
Ma'am, x is equal to 20. Ma'am, Aman's age is 60.
So we got x as 20. Very good. We got x as 20. So we can say, therefore,
Ma'am, Aman's age is 60.
Aman's
Aman's age is equal to 60 years.
is 60 years. Sorry, Aman son से क्या पूछा? दोनों की एज पूछी है? हाँ जी, दोनों की एज
Son's
पूछी है ना?
present age is 20.
हाँ, Aman's age से पहले लिखेंगे son's age.
Yes.
Aman's son's age. Aman's son's age is 60 years. 20 years. सार्थक अब समझ आया है आपको? सार्थक सिंह. Sarthak, now have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak, Aman's age.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aman's age is 60 years. I have checked the Google Classroom. The work was pathetic in your class. Nobody handed over any work, so I'll not check. I'll not grade you people. Very few. I've hardly ever seen anybody posting the work properly. Only teachers have to work. Children don't work here, especially with this class. Now, is there anybody who has any? I thought I'll finish with 2.6 also, but I don't think we are left with time. If everybody has noted down, I want to change the view of the screen. Have you all noted down? Very good. Half of you have ran.
Yes, ma'am.
Half of you have ran away.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I change the view?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I can see now. I'll just write to the principal also today. I'm really fed up with this class. I don't want to take this class. Let somebody else take this class. Let somebody else take this class. I'm just clicking the pics and I'm just going to note down children who are not here right now. I'll write down. Hanji. How many of you have tried open door questions? I sent open door questions. Raise your hand. How many of you have tried open door questions? How many of you have tried open door questions? Prayash, have you tried?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have tried, ma'am. I have to say something, ma'am. That these assignments take very long to respond. Go from Google Classroom. We can only select one image at a time, and it also takes a very long time to send one pic only.
The problem is, the thing is, you should complete your work. My aim is that you should complete your work side by side. Hanji, Hamza, bolo beta. Hamza. Hamza, now you all can.
I have attempted open door questions. I have attempted.
But क्या? Hamza, bolo बच्चा. Shivansh, bolo.
May I leave?
Who is this?
I have
Navneet?
attempted the questions.
Who is asking, can I leave?
Open door questions.
Who's in a hurry to go? Kavneet.
Hamza.
Hamza.
I am saying that. I am saying that I have attempted the open door.
And what about extra questions I sent yesterday? Extra questions I sent yesterday. Pranay bolo. Shreyash bolo.
Ma'am, I have also attempted all the open door questions.
Ma'am, I have also a question you have sent.
Jitain wants to say something. He has raised his hand. शिवांश,
Ma'am, I have also attempted all the
मैम
open door
आपने एक
questions
ओपन डोर
and extra questions.
मैम आपने एक ओपन डोर
Yes,
का
ma'am.
असाइनमेंट ये 2-3 दिन पहले भेजा था मैम। उसका जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन था 10th में वो समझ नहीं आया।
अच्छा आपने पूछा किसी ने?
Yes ma'am, वो 10th वाला मुश्किल था थोड़ा.
Nobody asked, लेकिन I have to ask from you people. But see, you can put your queries in the class group so that I can prepare in the next class, or I can solve your query in the group only. You can send that question number. I can either solve in the group or I can bring the question in the class. या तो मैं क्लास में सॉल्व कर दूंगी या मैं ग्रुप में ही सॉल्व कर दूंगी. शिवांश, एनी क्वेरी? शिवांश, एनी क्वेरी? शिवांश, आई एम
Ma'am.
आस्किंग यू, कितने क्वेश्चंस किए हैं बेटा
हम
आपने?
क्वेरी नहीं थी मैम, मुझे आंसर देने थे आज.
कितने क्वेश्चंस किए हैं हमने? Kavneet ran away. No, Kavneet is here. Who left right now? Who left? I have just got the pics of every screen. I have recorded a whole class. I'll come to know. Don't worry. I'm really fed up with these children. They don't study in school. Same if they are happening here. They are doing here.
आज मैम आज मुझे आंसर्स देने थे, आपने मुझे म्यूट पे रखा.
बेटा आंसर देने का फायदा नहीं, क्लास में समझ नहीं आएगा तो वो तो सिंपल सी इक्वेशंस है. इक्वेशंस फ्रेम करनी आ गई तो आंसर निकाल ही लोगे. प्रॉब्लम आती है इक्वेशन फ्रेम करने में. हाफ ऑफ द क्लास इज नॉट एबल टू फ्रेम द इक्वेशन. सॉल्व तो कर ही लेंगे उसके बाद. प्रॉब्लम आती है जब सॉल्व, अब इक्वेशन ही फ्रेम नहीं कर पाएगी पूरी क्लास तो कुछ सॉल्व क्या करेंगे हम? ठीक है. नाउ आई थिंक from my side only 2-3 questions are left from 2.6, and please put your queries in the class group. I will solve. Put your queries in the class group. I will solve.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody has any query till now? Whatever we have done. Arnav, any query?
नो मैम।
आपने
No,
सारा
ma'am.
काम किया, होमवर्क किया बेटा अर्नव जी? आप तो स्कूल में भी बहुत रेगुलरली काम करते
Yes,
थे.
ma'am.
पूछते हैं हम यहाँ पे होमवर्क किया सारा?
Yes, ma'am.
एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस और ओपन डोर के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कॉपी में किए हैं? ओपन डोर के तो आंसर्स फेयर कॉपी में ही लिखने हैं. ओनली आंसर्स टू बी रिटन. इफ यू वांट आई कैन सेंड द what was I saying? I will send the answer key for open door questions. I will send the answer key for the open door questions if you need that. It may help you. I will send the answer key. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye children, take
Yes,
care.
ma'am.
Finish your
Okay,
work
ma'am.
in time.
Yes,
Next week
ma'am.
we will have tests.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta, God bless you all.